Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we'll explore how to make the most of GoJobs. Whether you're looking for a job or hiring talent, let's dive in. The first section is about using GoJobs as a job seeker. First, you register and log in. That you create your GoJobs account by visiting the website www.mygojobs.com. Sign up using your email address and set a password. And remember, registration is completely free. The next step is search and apply for jobs. Once you've logged in, you need to find the relevant job listing, and you can filter either by location or by job type. When you find a job that interests you, click apply to submit your application. Next step, you wait for employers' feedback. After applying, be patient. Employers will review application and reach out if interested. Keep an eye on your email for interview invitations or follow-up messages. The next section is using GoJobs as an employer. The first step we have to take is register and log in. Employers, you head to the website www.mygojobs.com and create your account. You provide your company details and set up your profile. Remember, registration is also free for employers too. The next step is to post your jobs. Click post a job and fill in the job details. Be specific about job requirements, responsibilities, and qualification. Your job listing will be visible to job seekers searching on GoJobs. The next step is you review job applications. As applications come in, review them carefully. Shortlist candidates based on their qualifications and fit for the role. Reach out to potential hires for interview. Next, hire a candidate. Once you've found the perfect match, extend an offer. Welcome your new team member on board. Thank you for watching. Whether you're a job seeker or an employer, GoJob has you covered. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Remember, GoJob simplifies the job search process for everyone. Happy job hunting.